What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We gotta go right over Dogecoin today, but before we go over Dogecoin, please hit that like button and subscribe. It helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Also, leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you guys want me to go over next. I have sticky notes on top of sticky notes full of stuff that I gotta go over, so I'm definitely gonna be going over those very soon. And also, don't forget to check the links in the description for free stocks with Robinhood, Webull, and Public.com. And I've got some other links, for my Instagram, Spotify, all that stuff. If you want to go ahead and follow that stuff as well. So let's get straight to it. As you can see, Dogecoin right now is hitting our support line right now, 24.50. We've had this support set for a while, and now we're hitting this support line. And look, guys, if we break this support line, 24.50, we're going to end up going down to 22 cents. I don't want to be the one to break out the bad news, but I got to do it. So 22 cents is what we're going to head to if we break the support line. It's looking like we're about to break it, but who knows, because sometimes it fakes us out. It drops out of the consolidation, touches the support line, and then just as it touches it, sometimes it'll just rise up for no reason. So also, I want to say, when they say Dogecoin's going down, they mean the whole crypto market's going down. If they say Dogecoin's going up, the whole crypto market's going up, because look, everything's going down. So this technical analysis isn't even just for Dogecoin, it's for the whole crypto market. But we're going specifically over Dogecoin today because I also got different news that we got to go over in Dogecoin. But also yesterday, I said after this consolidation, there was one of two things that was going to happen. Either we're going to go up on this trend line out of the consolidation and go crazy and break this resistance, or we're going to come out of the consolidation on a negative trend line and then break our support. And we came out on the negative trend line. So this right here is now invalid, and now the one that is valid is the one that's going down, which is our downtrend that we're going to. So inevitably we'll probably end up hitting 22 cents if we break the support line. Now if we don't break the support line, if we just end up rejecting that support line and saying nope and then going straight up, then we're actually going to end up going over to 26.50. So that would be our next resistance if we decide to continue to rise and build up some momentum after this. But right now it's kind of seeming like we're going to be hitting the support line when we are on the support line, but it seems like we're going to be hitting the next support line as well. So that's that. But also, let's go over someone else's technical analysis. So let's read this. They say the resistance at 26.7. I said 26.5. I was a little bit off, I guess, or maybe they're a little bit off. But 26.7, 26.5, 0.002, a little bit away. Anyways, let's go over theirs. So Dogecoin is still bearish below 26.7 resistance. Should you sell today? So they're saying Dogecoin is still bearish below this resistance right here, and we're all the way down here, and we're at the low side of this channel. So it's showing us that we are bearish actually. So, and remember, Dogecoin isn't just bearish, it's Bitcoin and everything else too. So anyways, let's keep going with this. Now let's scroll down to see the more important stuff that we want to look at. So Dogecoin has been under pressure today. The meme token, blah, 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 bearish momentum from mid-August and then at the start of September on a descending triangle with the support at 26.7, descending triangle here at 26.7. So let's keep moving on. So Doge flash crash. Well, first we want to read this. Now Doge USD is trading at the support or below the support of 26.7 and is now around 25.6. Obviously now is around 25.45. And mind you, this was made about 2 hours ago. So the fact that it's dropped that much within 2 hours, that's pretty big. That's a pretty big deal because we were all the way up here at 25 cents about 2 hours ago, but we dropped down below it because we came out the consolidation, and that's just how it happens when you break consolidation. Now, Doge was one of the crypto tokens to fall furthest on September 7th. When all the others hit the flash crash, it usually happens like that. Doge is usually the one jumping the most and dropping the most. So crypto fell from a high of just below 32 cents to 21 cents, blah, blah, blah. But this is a big thing that we want to look at, the technical outlook. So look at here. They want to show our major resistance that we had right there at 26 cents that we broke. So Dogecoin 4-hour chart analysis. This is the big stuff right here. So from the 4-hour chart above, we can see that Doge USD is trapped and consolidating below the resistance at 26.7. So unlike its peers, which are showing bullish moves, Doge is trading below the previous support. And no, its peers are not showing bullish moves. So I just got to invalidate what they said right there because, look, everything's down, literally everything. And the only reason why Shiba Inu is up, which is all the way down here, or it was up, was because the whole Coinbase thing, the Coinbase Pro announcement. But then they, they postponed it again, so now it's going down again. So right now, no, Dogecoin's peers are not going up. So I had to invalidate what they said right there. But anyways, the resistance of 26.7 is what keeping Dogecoin down right now. So the trade analysis and that idea, given the overall bounce in crypto tokens from the previous crash, I continue to hold a medium term and long term bullish view of Dogecoin. So even though they see Dogecoin is about to hit this support line and maybe go below it, they still have a bullish long term view on Dogecoin, which is exactly how I feel too. Like, yeah, short term Dogecoin's bearish, and we may even reach 22 cents quite possibly. But if the whole crypto market turns around, then we'll definitely rise, obviously. But right now, it's seeming like we're going to hit 22 cents in the short term. But we're still all, very bullish long term with Dogecoin. Now, they say, however, I see potential short-term bearish move from the current level in Dogecoin as price continues to face resistance at 26.7, but I would not consider short trades at this stage. So yeah, you don't want to be doing no day trades right now. It's definitely going to be bad for you unless bearish signals form at the consolidation area, which already has happened. We are consolidating here and we're forming these bearish signals. They're talking about the 26.7 resistance right here that we have set, but we're so much below that. And look, we're actually breaking our support line as we speak right now. Like, we're literally right on it. I'm trying to zoom all the way in. So yeah, we're right on that support line and we're trying to break it here with Dogecoin. So it's seeming like we're about to break that support. So just saying. And he said, I would take a buy trade if Doge broke above the 26.7 resistance, and upon confirmation via the price action trading signals, I would set my targets at the previous highs of about 31 cents, 33 cents to 34 cents. So he's saying if we break that 26.7 resistance, he's expecting it to go to 31 cents, 33 cents, 34 cents. That's a huge statement right there. So shout out to them for making this technical analysis, and shout out to me for making this as well. So yeah, if he's saying right now, if we break this 26.7 resistance, I say 26.5, he says 26.7. But anyways, if we break the 26.5, 26.7 resistance, we will end up rising all the way up here to this line right here that we were previously at, and then eventually up to our previous August 16th high of 34 cents. So that's a very bullish right there. Now, it's bearish short term, yes, but long term it's bullish. So, and another thing I also want to talk about, let's scroll down and continue to look at our Doge analysis. Now, as he says, he would take the buys of 34 cents. For it to get to 34 cents, Dogecoin would have to do a lot of price action, a lot of rising, a lot of momentum would have to happen. So if we do break 26.7, my take on this would be 28 cents. And then in the near future, eventually 32 and then 34. It wouldn't just straight up shoot up to 34 like he's expecting. It would go more so to 28 cents and then to 32. So that's just my opinion, my take on it. And another thing, look at what they've been saying about Dogecoin. Let's close this and let's go over to this next Dogecoin one. They keep calling it Dogecoin token. I don't know why they keep calling it Dogecoin token. It's not Dogecoin token. It's just Dogecoin. But anyways, Dogecoin token is recovery. Dogecoin token recovery facing hurdle of 100 DMA line. So it's facing a hurdle, they say. But yeah, this is pretty much the same thing. They're just saying it in a different way and, giving out different outlooks. They believe that the resistance is at 27 cents, and then they believe that the support is at 22 cents, and they believe the major resistance is at 31, whereas the other technical analysis as well as mine predicted to be 25 or 26.5 as the resistance, and then the support around 22 cents. What they did get right, but we were lower 22 cents. They're higher 22 cents. And then we were at 32 cents for our major support. So there's just a little bit of difference there with that. But, everyone's always going to have a different technical analysis because it's a technical view based on our point of view. But yeah, we definitely have a lot to do here inside Dogecoin. So hopefully we don't continue to drop too low. It's seeming like Dogecoin is actually recovering a little bit. We just now went to 24.48, but now we're back at 24.61. So that's pretty good news here with Dogecoin. And where are we at here with Dogecoin? $32.5 billion, down 4.18% in the last 24 hours and down 18% in the last 7 days. So Dogecoin, not doing too bad compared to some of the other things. Cardano is actually down more than Dogecoin in the last 24 hours. But we all know Cardano, when everything goes up on the upside, Cardano is going to be going crazy. So let's go over the Dogecoin whales, though, because Dogecoin whales are doing some big moves. Look at all these buy orders. The buy orders all put together is actually more significant than the sell orders that this Dogecoin whale does. and you could see that way down here that they did yesterday, $12.6 million. But since then, look at this $1.2 million order. But since then, they've purchased more than $12 million since yesterday. So this Dogecoin whales purchases are always more significant than their buying. Same with this one. Yeah, their buying is always more significant than their selling. But yeah, same with this one right here. This one, all they do is sell or buy. Keep messing up today, but anyways, they sold $24, and that's the only sell they've ever made with Dogecoin. But look, 29 million, 17 million, 28 million, and then more recently, yesterday, 4.9 million. So we're seeing a lot of these Dogecoin whales dropping big bags on Dogecoin. This Dogecoin whale doing sell orders, but they're buying way more, like 318K compared to 1.9K, 283K compared to $275, 256K compared to 11K. So you're seeing that this Dogecoin whale is definitely buying way more than they're selling. They're making those profits off of this Dogecoin, and this Dogecoin whale came in with a one-time purchase towards the end of yesterday, actually around like 10 p.m. 9 p.m. I think that is. It's 17:10 military time, somewhere around there, 8 p.m. 9 p.m. But yeah, $75.2 million purchased in a one order yesterday with this Dogecoin whale. That's a huge purchase. That's more than most cryptocurrencies have inside their whole entire market cap inside of one whale wallet. That's why Dogecoin is such a significant crypto, because it's dominating a lot of the other cryptos out there. Let's be honest. But yeah, look at this whale too. This whale's purchasing way more than they're selling. As you can see, way more purchases than selling orders. And yeah, that's pretty much all for the Dogecoin whales. I don't want to go over them too much, but I do want to talk about why Dogecoin is laying low today. So let's go over that right now. And let's just scroll down here and get straight to it. So Doge was muted on Friday morning with other major cryptos, which either traded flat or were in negative territory as the global cryptocurrency market cap rose to 2.13 trillion. So they're saying interest in Doge was considerably low at press time on Twitter, with the same meme cryptocurrency mentioned only 1.3k times as per CoinTrends. And I actually want to mention something personally about my channel. Right, like way back in Doge Day 420, in April, like Dogecoin was going crazy. I was getting 3k per Dogecoin video, like 3k views, not $3,000. That would have to be millions of views to get $3,000. But anyways, 3,000 views per video, 8,000 views per video, 9,000 views per Dogecoin video. But now it's more like 100 views per Dogecoin video, 200 views per Dogecoin video, 300. But now it's kind of changed. It's kind of shifted. More people are viewing Baby Dogecoin. More people are viewing Shiba Inu. More people are viewing Sanshu. More people are viewing Saitama. So they're really starting to get off of the Dogecoin wave and starting to jump on all the other things. Baby Dogecoin Billionaire. They're all doing different stuff like that. So that's also one of the reasons why Dogecoin is not getting as much volume and push as it used to, because there's all these copycats. And I actually support some of the copycats too. Some of them, they're actually really good coins, so you can't really blame them. They did take the Doge, marketing and the whole Shiba Inu theme, but they still made a good product off of that marketing. So you can't really hate them on that. You just gotta push Dogecoin to go harder. That's really the only thing you can do. So Doge was the least mentioned coin in the list of the 10 most mentioned on Twitter. So the 10 most mentioned cryptos on Twitter, Doge was the least. So that's huge right there. In comparison, Bitcoin was mentioned 5.6k times. Dogecoin only mentioned 1.3k. So yeah, that's what we're seeing right now with all this stuff. So that's why Dogecoin is not doing as well as it used to, because less people are talking about it. I'm gonna keep talking about it, so then we can keep pushing Dogecoin up. We got to keep pushing it. We got to go hard, Doge Army, because if we don't do it, then who is going to do it? So I'm going to keep coming to you with these Dogecoin videos so we can help Dogecoin continue to grow. I still support Dogecoin heavily. I got Dogecoin on Robinhood. Shout out to Robinhood. You can get some free stocks with Robinhood. Link in the description. Had to plug that in there. But yeah, also, if you guys, maybe you guys want some background music for your videos, definitely check out my beat website inside of the link in the description. Check that out. You maybe buy some license for some beats. Do whatever you want to do. You can also download them all for free. I have the free download for every single one on there, but it's for nonprofit if you want to download them for free. So definitely check that out, and definitely do that if you are interested. And yeah, please remember to hit the like button, subscribe. It helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm, really. And also leave me a link in the not a link in the description. Leave me a comment in the comment section and let me know what you guys want me to go over next, because I have sticky notes on top of sticky notes on top of sticky notes literally 3 sticky notes full of stuff that I'm going to be going over, and I'm crossing them out as I go over them. I just went over Saitama yesterday, and I went over a bunch of other stuff in previous days. So yeah, definitely check that out. And yeah, hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll be back with another video. Peace.